Okay, let's do this. Potato ramrod. This is a soggy potato. Jesus. It's not in there far enough. Come on, further in. Is in there all the way in? No, it's not. What's stopping? Something's stopping my tater. That's in here far enough. Alright. Wish he'd quit shooting this way. Annoying feller that feller is. Okay, take aim. There we go, right about there ought to do it. Ready, fire! I'm gonna go find that tater now. Didn't shoot far enough. Alright, where'd this tater go? I need more fuel. That's what I need. More fuel. I need like a whole can of this stuff. Saw it hit that and hit this. And I think I saw it hit this. Did it hit this? Is it in here? It's not in there. Where is it? I know it didn't go much further than here. Is it up the hill? There it is. There she is. Ah, blew the top out of it quite nicely. All right, let's go back. Okay. Take two. This time I'm gonna try some more fuel. Let me get this thing opened. It'll be easier to get it down in there. There we go. Get out of the way before you get blown up. Need to put me a ramrod holder on this sucker. Alright. Starting fluid. Put me a cup holder on it too, I guess. Do that. Oh gosh, it's running out everywhere. Oh no. I'm going to set something on fire here in a second if I ain't careful. Okay. Ready? Fire! Oh! That looked like it hurt. That poor potato. Let's go see that. As soon as it shot, I looked down here. I just saw an explosion of ashed tater. Where did it hit? That's the question. Where did it hit? Whatever it hit with such force. I was thinking it might be the size of this. Don't guess it was. Hit it with such force, it exploded. It's amazing. The axe of starter fluid is. By golly, I don't know where it went. That part of it, I don't know. It was here somewhere. Clearly not now. You'd think there'd be like a mark or something somewhere where it hit, but there ain't. I mean, it easily could have landed in some of this crap and hit it, but I thought it went further than this. So I saw it go. It at least hit the side of that thing. So ain't no way it hit something right here this close that I heard it. Where is it? And yeah, I know there's not going to be much left of it. I just want to find what it hit. I think it was this. I don't know where it hit this. But it caused it to explode. I'm looking for pieces of tater. That is a key in finding where your potato exploded. Finding the remnants of potato. Ladies and gentlemen, he gone. Salute to the potato. Alright. That poor potato sacrificed himself for a laugh. Oh well. Well. What's in there? I know there's something in the cannon. What's in the barrel? I don't know. I can't see it now. Well, seems as though the bracket's still in place where I put it, and everything seems to be fine. Except for the potato. Hope you enjoyed this short clip.